So this is the second approach to solve factorial program problem using recursion. Okay. Okay. So just check. Okay. Here we will call factorial of factorial of 6, and here we will put 1. Okay. Or mm, let me just put it here. Just let me just put the value of n here. N equals to 6, comma, and now answer is equals to 1. Okay. Factorial factorial. While calling the factorial method, pass n, comma, answer variable. Now create a static method which will not return anything. It accepts two arguments, int n, comma, int answer. Okay. If n is equals to what? 0. If n is equals to what? 1. We know the factorial of 0 and 1 is 1. But here what we will do, we will just print the value of answer here, and let me tell you why in the end. Okay. If this is the base, like this is the base condition. Let me put it here. Base condition. This is the base condition. Okay. This is the base condition. Okay. If this condition is met, then we have to stop the execution of the program. Okay. If this condition is false, then what we will again call the function recursively. Now this time with n minus 1 and answer value into n. Okay. Now let's try to run this. We should get 720. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we got it. Let's try with 4. Okay, so 4 into 3, 12, 12 to 24. So that means this is working perfectly fine.